Hi future homeowners! For today's vlog, we will feature another house and lot property near Clark International Airport. So, dito yan sa Mabalacat. And the project is Hamana Home. So, later on, yan makita nyo yung distance from yung point of reference natin dito sa SM City, Pampanga. And going to the site itself. So, malapit lang din siya from San Fernando to Mabalacat because we will going to enter NLEX. So that is SM City, Pampanga. And then, since very accessible siya, we'll just going to turn right as we enter sa NLEX or the North Luzon Expressway. So we will going to exit in Santa Ines as well. So just like what we had in Claremont. So magkakalapit lang din kasi yan mga subdivision kasi the area is really strategic yung location niya. That's why a lot of developers sinaturate yung location na yun or yung area because of its proximity to nearby establishments. Ayan. We're entering now sa NLEX. Buti na lang may load na tayo ngayon. So, ayan, ang bilis lang from the entrance ng San Fernando and NLEX going to the exit ng Santa Ines. So, this is the Santa Ines exit already. Ayan. So, ayan siya. So, we will just going to turn right as we move forward sa mismong site. Ayan, we will just going to turn right. If you will notice, ayan, may signage ng Clark Airport kasi malapit lang dito yung Clark International Airport. If you will notice, upon exit, meron ng signage ng Hamana Homes which is about 5 kilometers lang. So, ayan, makikita natin, magkakalapit lang mga subdivisions ng mga big developers. Ayan, madadaan natin yung Philinvest. And then we have the Bria Homes. Ito another subdivision, si Ravenna. So another big developer, if you will notice on my right, is the Cheerful Homes by SMDC, one of the top leading developer again dito sa Pampanga. So ayan, magkakalapit lang. And also we have the First Park Homes. So dito talaga sa area na to, nasaturate ng mga developers. As in, magkakalapit lang sila. And yun nga, si SMDC nag-expand pa siya ng Cheerful Homes too. But again, for our objective for our vlog today, we will be heading to Hamana Homes. Ayan. So, nandito na tayo sa site. So, may makikita kayong big tarpaulin dito na with the tagline ni Hamana, "Delightful living made better." Yun yung tagline ni Hamana. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa site. Ayan, magpa-park lang tayo dito sa harap ng office natin. So, this is the office. Ayan, sa Pacifica Homes by Hamana Homes. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Hamana Homes. Welcome to our humble office. Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. For today's vlog, we will going to feature another project dito sa Pampanga, which is very strategic yung location niya, dito sa Hamana Homes. Together with me is Sir Alfred.
Hello, good morning.
Our broker coordinator who will be joining us dito sa house tour. So, Sir Alfred, before anything else, we would love to know first the developer, sir. Okay. Who is our developer?
Actually, Hamana Homes, the developer of Hamana Homes is PHDC, Pacifica Homes Development Corporation. ang owner po nito is Century Pacific. Sino po si Century Pacific? Sila po yung may-ari ng Century Tuna, 555 Sardines, Argentina, Shakey's, at marami pa po. Actually, they are the top 14 richest
Dito sa Philippines.
family in the Philippines po. Yeah. So, speaking of stability, di ba? Thumbs up tayo dyan.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, they do have the financial capacity to really finish the whole development. Speaking of development, actually, we're here in dito sa scale model. So, as I can see, sir, parang ang laki na yata nito. How many hectares ba to, sir?
Actually, this is a 15 hectares project. 14 hectares po is the residential area. And the remaining 1 hectare is the commercial po.
Okay.
So, Hamana Homes po, para sa kaalaman nyo din, hindi po siya congested.
Okay.
So, ang tawag po nila doon is low density po. Actually, it's 83 units lang po tayo per hectares po.
And I believe, sir, dito sa site development natin, there are features, diba, when it comes to the open spaces and even yung sa Spine Road. Ito yung pinaka na gustuhan ko, sir. Dito sa may Spine Road area neto, no? Dalawa siya, right, sir? And yung pinagmamalaki natin, yung roads nyo, sobrang laki. How many meters ba yung mga ano natin dito, road, sir?
Yes, to begin with the road po, the question is, why is Hamana? So first, the location. Hamana Homes po is actually located along the highway. Yun po yung Mabalacat Magalang Road.
Okay.
Second, we have 2 main gate, 2 Spine Road po, na kami pa lang po yata dito sa Pampanga na mayroong 2 Spine Road. And then third, sabi mo nga, our pinakamaliit na road wide is 8 meters po. Compared to other projects, other developer po, they have 6 to 6.5 meters. So, napaka-generous ni Hamana na binigyan tayo ng 42% open space. Pero nasa batas po natin, at least 30% po ang open space.
And also, the unit owners can also enjoy yung amenities, diba? So, what are the amenities Hamana has to offer sa atin, sir?
Yes, actually, bago sa amenity, main amenities natin, we have the Lush Garden, the Linear Park, and sa ano naman, sa main amenities natin, we have the clubhouse po na 2-story siya. And then swimming pool, of course. And we have the multipurpose court po. Why multipurpose court? Yung mga naunang client po natin na coming from US, they suggested na bakit walang lawn tennis, bakit walang volleyball court. That's why kinonvert namin yung basketball court dati na gawing multipurpose court.
Okay.
Kaya ngayon, pwede siya kahit volleyball yan, lawn tennis, and basketball court po.
I see. So, sa Hamana Homes talaga, we have a really generous open space and mga amenities that our clients or buyers can enjoy kapag nakatira na sila dito, no, sir? Ayun. So, when it comes to the model unit, so are you excited to go inside? Tara, puntahan natin yung mga model units natin na hindi tayo papalito kasi magkakatunog sila, di ba, sir?
Yes, yes.
O, sige. O, tara, let's go.
Come on.
But first, before tayo pumunta sa mga model units, let's test muna yung sa quality. So, of course, when buying a property, making sure na very premium yung quality. Sir Alfred, what are the materials ba and mga na ginamit dito sa Hamana Homes? And I believe we have a demo here, right?
To begin with that, i-differentiate ko muna between plus wall and the conventional.
The conventional, okay.
What is conventional? Conventional po is yung mga bahay natin dati na made of hollow blocks po.
So, nandito tayo ngayon,
yes,
sir.
Po,
Tara, dito tayo, sir.
But here in Hamana, our units are made of plus wall.
Okay.
This one. What is plus wall? Plus wall po is the new technology na ginagamit na sa US, Germany, Europe. So, the owner po ng Hamana, inadapt niya po yung new technology ngayon, which is plus wall.
Okay.
And what is the advantage of plus wall po? First, sa earthquake. During earthquake, ang conventional po kasi is sumasayaw siya habang may earthquake. Hindi ka mukha ni plus wall kung saan yung earthquake sumasama lang siya.
Okay.
As in solid siya.
Okay.
Second, sa fire. So, kung nasusunog na yung kapitbahay mo, it will take ilang oras pa bago madamay yun sa'yo.
Okay.
Siguro andyan na yung fire truck para maano yung sunog.
Yung sunog.
Third, yung pong heat resistant po tayo. Kamukha po ngayon, napakainit. Pero once we go inside the unit, mararamdaman mo na mas malamig pa sa loob kaysa sa labas po. That's it. And so, then, maybe you can try.
Sige na, try natin. So, dito muna.
Okay.
Ayan, dito muna.
Yung malakas ha.
Yung malakas.
Ayan.
Ayan.
See? And then, try the plus wall.
So, this is the conventional, no, sir? And this is the plus wall naman. So, kung napansin natin, as in, nagiba yung pagpukpok ko, diba, sir? However, dito sa plus wall, try natin, ha? Lalakasan ko to, ha?
Yes.
Lalakasan ko to, ha? Lalakasan ko to.
See?
Oo nga, matibay nga talaga. So, this only proves na sobrang premium and quality ng mga ginamit na materials dito, no, sir?
Yes po. Actually, this is a 3,000 PSI.
3,000 PSI.
Para wag lang pumalito yung mga client natin o future client, plus wall po is not precast.
Okay.
Kasi si precast po is gagawin sa ground. Tapos, itatayo siya para gawing bahay. So, idudugtong mo pa siya.
Okay.
Oo, matibay nga yung precast. Pero, ang tanong, yung bang pagka-welding niya dun sa dulo-dulo is ganun din ba katibay? Not like po sa plus wall. So, iuulma po yung bahay. Tapos, minsan na nabuhusan. So, magkakapatid lahat yung dugtungan niya. Wala siyang dugtungan exactly.
Okay. Alright, so we're excited now to show you yung sa quality and yung mga model units natin, no? So let's go. So welcome to Hamana Homes. So we will go now sa mga model units, and ito yung sinasabi namin na
one of the main
gate. Ayan.
Look at the road wide. It is 16 meters po yan. 2 papasok and 2 palabas.
Okay.
Dahil may dalawa tayong main gate, times 2 mo yan. So 8 lahat po.
So let's begin with our house tour dito sa single attached model unit na pangalan is Nanea. So wag tayong papalito when it comes to mga model units natin na it's Nanea for the single attached with a minimum of lot area of 90 square meter and usable floor area of 64 square meter, more or less. So depende pa yan sa specific block and lot na kukunin nyo. Okay? Tara sir, pasukin natin. Wow, very spacious talaga siya, no, sir? Pasok pa lang natin, no?
Compare with our duplex, actually this Nanea, siya lang po yung mayroong tatlong toilet and bath. Yes, one po sa baba and then dalawa sa taas. Isa po nasa master bedroom po. So kaya tatlo po sila.
And I believe, sir, as we enter dito, no, aside sa pagiging spacious niya on the ground floor, I have noticed na high ceiling din kayo,
yes,
no,
po.
sir? Okay. Sir, when it comes sa mga cove light ceiling na ganyan, ganyan na po yung deliverables? O improved version na yan?
Improved version na yan.
Okay.
Pero ang deliverables natin, with ceiling tayo.
Okay.
Kasi mga ibang client natin, ayaw nila yung drop ceiling kasi daw yung mahirap daw linisin.
Okay.
So naka-client na ano gusto niya magiging design.
I see. So this is just an inspiration to them kung paano yung interior na gagawin nila dito sa loob ng bahay nila. Okay. Sige sir, so as we move dito, so ito yung clean kitchen nila, sir.
Yes.
And then pwede nang mag-dining dyan and the living area. And dito sir, dito sa labas pa ng sir, pwede kang mag-expand ba dito, no, sir?
Ang expansion natin is sa side siya.
Sa side,
yes.
Okay.
So dito pwede natin siyang hindi naman expansion ang tawag. Bali hahatiin mo siya para maging siyang
dirty kitchen, yes, laundry area.
Kasi yung laundry area it's too big for laundry area only.
Okay. And I believe dun sa side niya, we have one carport.
Actually, it's 2.
Two
Yeah.
for Nanea.
Yes.
Okay.
That's why na pwede ka mag-expand dun sa garage natin na gawin siyang another room.
For Nanea.
Actually,
For all.
Hindi naman. Sa Nanea and Miana plus the townhouse na nasa end unit.
Okay.
Yun.
Na 2 carport na pwede.
Yes po.
Okay. I see.
Mamaya, papakita natin. We have actual expansion po.
Alright, sige sir. Alright. So, punta tayo sa taas, sir. Tignan natin yung sa taas. So, dito sa second floor natin, so, nandito na yung common toilet and bathroom niyo, no, sir? And then, right beside dito is the master's bedroom.
Yes.
Na meron din siyang toilet, own
Yes.
toilet and bathroom.
Yes.
So, ayan, ganda pala dito, no, sir, na pati yung pagka-interior niya, actually, ang ganda.
Ang dami nga ang client na super like si Nanea.
And also, dito sa master's bedroom, you have the access to your balcony.
Yan. Sige.
Nandito. So, malaki pa din naman siya, no? Pwede kang
Yan.
magkape-kape dito, no, sir? Ayan, during the morning.
Yes.
And lalo na, dito sa project natin, you have the view of the Mount Arayat. The iconic Mount Arayat, especially if you're facing on the morning sun.
Yes,
no, sir?
po.
So, let's walk around lang din sa toilet and bathroom niya, sir. This is the toilet and bathroom.
So, may sariling banyo si Nanea.
Yung sa second room niya, and right beside the second room is the third bedroom. So this is really perfect for the growing families, no? Para at least yung mga kids, they do have also their own privacy as they grow old.
This is the third room. Much more bigger than the second room. So, yan. May dalawang kama for 2 kids. Siguro si panganay doon na lang sa isang solo niya, di ba? Yan. So, it has 2 windows din. Sa kabila po kasi isa lang. Yan.
I see. Ayun. So, when it comes dito, sir, fully finished naman na din
Yes
siya.
po. Ang hindi lang po kasama dyan is the furnitures and pictures.
Okay.
Yan.
Ayun.
Yan, naka-tiles tayo dyan. With ceiling, with pin light na rin. Paint finish siya. So, gamit na lang po.
Yung dadalhin nila.
Yes.
Alright. So, let's move forward to the next model unit natin. Alright, let's go. Dito pala sa Hamana Home, sir, we have different types of houses.
Yes,
so we have the single attached, which is Niana, and then duplex naman, which is Miana.
Yes.
So Miana naman comes with a minimum lot area of 80 square meter and a usable floor area of more or less 54 square meter. So, as you can see, the difference between the single attached and the duplex. So, pag duplex kasi may dalawang bahay na magkatabi. Dalawa. That's why they call it duplex. And of course, dito sa ano niya, sir, sa gilid, you have the provision for at least 2 carport, and it's up to you kung nasa inyo kung pwede nyong expand for another room, which later on
papakita natin mamaya.
Pakita natin. Tapos, yun, excited to show you dito sa loob. Let's go. Ayan, sir.
Actually, Sir Alan, Miana Homes po is the best seller po ng Hamana Homes. So, napansin ko sa mga client natin, if they have financial na pang Nanea, and then they will do the math, instead of having one single attached, they will buy combined unit. That's why I can tell that Miana is our best seller po.
More practical siya, no, sir? And the question here, let's say the client opt to avail 2 units na Miana, dalawang duplex nga, no? Possible ba na for extension, sir, na pwedeng like an access from one unit to another? Would that be possible?
Yes po. Bali, we will request lang sa engineer's office natin na yung mga room natin sa taas, pwedeng gawing 4 na lang, combine yung dalawang room for bigger room siya nun.
Okay. So, the client can request that prior to the, like, yung construction?
No, actually after ng ano
after
yan.
na?
Yes, after ang letter of guarantee with our financing institution.
Okay. So, parang pansin ko, sir, halos kamukha lang niya si Nanea.
Si Nanea, but bigger siya ng 10 square meter. Yun ang difference niya. Plus the CR, yung toilet and bathroom. Dalawa lang po si Miana. Si Nanea is
Tatlo. O, tara, sir. So, this is the common toilet and bathroom niya on the ground floor. Ayan. Please show you around. And, of course, kasi sir, sa lahat ng mga in-house tour talaga namin, yung clean kitchen nasa loob and then another dirty kitchen sa labas. So, this can be expanded to another dirty kitchen or laundry area, no, sir?
Yan, bali 2 meters tayo dito. Back set.
Okay. Let's go sa second floor naman. So, dito sa second floor, we have the master's bedroom here, no, sir? This is where the magic happens. Yun yung tagline ko, sir. So, actually, yung pinaka, niya, sir, wala lang tong toilet and bathroom yung master's niya, no? But, of course, you have the access to your balcony din. Meron din siya.
Look at this balcony. It's a mountain view.
Oo nga, sir. So, can you see that, future homeowners? You have the beautiful view of the majestic Mount Arayat. Ayan, diba? So, pwede kang mag-coffee here, mag-chill during the morning. So, yan. On my background, ayan, kitang-kita yung majestic view ng Mount Arayat. So, dito naman yung common toilet and bathroom niya. So, yan. Pag, they could share naman. So, and right beside the common toilet and bathroom, of course, you have your second room, no, sir? Second room niya.
Second room.
So, yan. Perfect really siya sa mga growing family.
And lastly, para sa ating bunso, our third room po. Yan.
Yan. So, dito sir, again, yung kanina, so pwede siya for 2 carport actually. But it's the option or discretion ng client if they will going to expand, just like dito na sir.
Yes
so,
po.
Sige sir, kindly show them around what's...
actually, Miana and Nanea and the Lamea and unit, they have all provision for expansion po. So, dito po, pinakita namin na pwede siyang gawin isang room. Especially, this is for
senior citizen, no, sir?
Yes,
pwede,
if you're living with your parents na senior citizen na sila, instead of going on the second floor, meron po silang room dito sa baba. Ayan po, pasilip po yan.
Ayan. So, perfect siya talaga kapag you have like the older senior citizen, no? But when it comes to the cost, sir, they will be the one to shoulder for the expansion na.
Yes po. Kasi mayroon po siyang disadvantage kapag isinama siya sa TCP.
Yes.
So, instead of yung unit natin is not vatable, pag in-add natin to, mababat tayo.
I
so,
see.
mas maganda na
sila na lang.
Yes po.
Para hindi na ma-subject for 12% VAT yung unit nila, no, sir? So like what we've mentioned, Hamana Homes has a lot of offerings, no, na mga type of houses. Depende sa budget ni client, because here in Hamana Homes, we also have the townhouses, no, sir? So
for the early nester, yung mga bagong married.
So with that being said, our model unit for our townhouses is Lamea. For Lamea, we have a minimum lot area of more or less 75 square meter and a usable floor area of more or less 51 square meter. So let's go. Ayan. So dito yung you will be greeted with your living area na, no, sir? Ayan. And right beside your living area, of course, your clean kitchen. Normally, ganito yung layout ng mga townhouses natin, no, sir? And then, on the ground floor, you have also, of course, your 1 toilet and bathroom. Sa taas, sir, meron din.
Yes, we have
so, 2 toilet and bathroom din siya. But the difference that kumbaga sa townhouse, ilan yung units meron sa isang cluster?
This Lamea po, we call it quadruplex, so 4 sila magkakadikit. And we have also 1 townhouse in phase 1, we call it Kanea. So triplex naman sila. So isa lang ang inner unit, 2 end unit bale.
I see. Kasi sir, some of the clients, syempre, let's say, yung sok sa budget nila is for townhouse. So they do have also the option kung ano yung unit na kukunin nila. It's either on the inner or on the end. No? Ayun. Tara, punta muna tayo sa second floor niya. So, dito yung master's bedroom niya, no, sir? Ayan. And, napaka-generous din naman ni Hamana when it comes sa balcony, sir. So lahat ng mga units natin may
Kahit
balcony,
townhouse
sir.
yan, may balcony pa din, ha?
No, ayan. So you have the balcony as well kahit townhouse. Ayan. So again, this will be your master's bedroom, and for the second floor niya, actually technically tatlo. However, yung isa, sir, I believe pwede siya for the work from home setup na
tama.
Kasi sir, yung iba uso na talaga ngayon yung work from home, 'di ba? So yung isa pwede siya gawin mo siyang parang mini office. But basically right beside your master's bedroom, you have the toilet and bathroom, and you have your second room here.
Yan, naka-double deck yan for
Naka-double
2 kids
deck.
yan.
Tapos yung sa yung sa lower part is parang mini office niya din, no, sir. And likewise, dun sa third bedroom, ayan, sir, it's the option of the client kung ano yung gagawin niya dito. It's either home office setup or storage na lang. So maybe the future homeowners are very curious when it comes to the prices and computation that we have and the available financing options dito sa Hamana Homes. So sir, how much ba yung typical total contract price ni Nanea? Let's begin with the single attached that we have.
Nanea, nag-average siya ng 6.7 million. TCP na yan, all in.
All in, yes.
Here in Hamana kasi, just focus on the TCP because we don't have hidden charges. We are very transparent. Yung bang pipirmahan ni client po dun sa sample computation natin, that's it, yes.
So, how about the monthly down payment, sir? Or how many % yung down payment nila? And ilan yung payment terms nyo or how many months?
Yes. If they actually, we have two kinds of financing. We have the bank financing and the Pag-ibig. Actually, we don't have in-house financing yet. Pero sooner po.
Sooner pwede magkakaroon.
Sa bank financing natin, ang scheme is 1090, 10% down payment and 90% loanable amount. The 10% will be
payable up to how many months?
Yes, if RFO po yan, 6 months to pay siya. And then, regular payment is 12 months po.
Oh, I see. So, they do have still ample time, no? Para bunuin yung down payment niya. So, when it comes kay Nanea, it's somehow similar with Miana and Lamea.
Yes.
So, pare-pareho, regardless with the model unit.
Yes po. Pagdating sa financing,
payment terms and financing option.
Pero just to give you other inputs, sa Miana po kasi we have a different scenario na may Miana tayo po na hindi siya vatable. Yung isa naman, non-vat siya. So, it's a big difference. For example, we have Miana kasi na located sa mga prime location. So, they have the TSP of 3.8. So, pag sinabi mo 3.8, here in the Philippines po, basta lamang po ng 3.6 ang property, it is vatable. So, tatakbo po yan ng mga 4.6. Compare po dun sa 3.4 na regular Miana namin. So, plus the transfer of title, magiging 3.7 lang po. Versus 4.6. So, almost 1 million po ang difference.
I see. So, for the Miana, nag-range tayo ng 3.4 to 3.8 depending on the specific unit.
Yes, the orientation of the unit po.
I see. How about the last one that we have is the Lamea na townhouse. Mga how much po yung TCP naman, sir?
TCP po is 3.4 po yan.
3.4.
So, 3.1 po yung TSP plus natin yung transfer of title, yung processing fee.
So, naka-breakdown naman.
Yes po, nasa sample computation natin
yan. I see. Ayun, sir. So, ayun, thank you so much, future homeowners, for joining us dito sa Hamana Homes. So, looking forward in helping you. That's why for more information or details about this project, feel free to message us with the numbers below and we're more than happy to guide you. Ayan. So, aside from our broker coordinator who joined us for today's vlog, so nandito din ang sales head namin. So, sir, please introduce yourself and invite them to invest here in Hamana.
Yes, good morning everyone. My name is Marlon Galang, the sales group head here in Hamana Homes, Magalang. Thank you very much, Sir Alan, and also the A. Marquez Realty, for visiting us. To all the global Filipinos out there, I would like to invite everyone to visit our site here in Magalang, Pampanga. So one of the best investment that you are going to choose, and especially the emerging area, near airport, near SM Clark. Then also, Sir Alan, mas malapit na ngayon dahil from NLEX to here, mabilis na lang ang biyahe. Then meron tayong mga train station na tinatayo dito sa Clark.
So very accessible talaga, So again, sir, thank you so much for sharing your insight dito sa Hamana Home. So again, we're more than happy to guide you. That's why feel free to message us with this number and we're more than happy to guide you. Bye for now.
Yes.